Hello, welcome back to our channel. I'm Annabelle, one part of Just As Wondering, and today I am solo cruising the boat. Whoa. So today, we've moved up just past Redley towards the Coventry Canal. I'm going to be moving the boat up the Coventry towards a pub that James is going to meet me at later because he's playing golf. So yeah, the first time I've moved it, I've already had an absolute task to get this off the roof, the chimney. It was completely rusted on, so I've had to bash it. I wish I'd recorded, but bash it with a mallet. It's got my blood flowing, you know, so I'm gonna undo the ropes and hope this all goes swimmingly because it's raining and that's always fun, isn't it? Let's go. It's a good start. You might be wondering why I am choosing to do this. Let's open the hatch. And purely it's because I want to have the confidence to do this on my own. So yeah, I'm going to give it a go. Worst case, I'll pull up again and moor over if I feel comfortable. But yeah, I'm going to give it a go. Is it a good idea? We shall find out. That's the hatch open. Got to turn the engine on. There's my keys. Willow's already come out. Turn the engine on. Needs boat changing. Put the tiller on. And it's really time to go. Untie the stern rope. I've got the middle just in case it decides to leave. Something really daunting about doing this on your own. This is my home. We're going. Just pulling off now. Just spin you round. So here we go. And this is where we stayed. Just in front of this boat here. What I was saying was there's something really quite daunting about taking your boat out on your own. Well, there is for me anyway. I'm scared I'm going to do something wrong. I'm scared I'm going to crash. There's no locks. But it's just, it's daunting. I'll try and show you where we're going. So I don't know if you can see, but the blue blob is me down there. And I'm trying to get to that red blob there. So it's quite a jaunt on your own. Top to bottom of the screen now. So yeah, I'm going to give it a go. If I have to pull over, I'll pull over. If I don't, then I'll have a Coke to celebrate. Yeah, I'm really excited. This is the first time I've done this kind of jaunt, so wish me luck. So this bridge that I'm coming up to at 89 is supposed to be like a really low bridge and I'm terrified, but it looks like we might make it. We'll see. We shall see, I think. Easy. Just where it was needed. So we absolutely smashed it. We're coming through bridge 87 now and heading towards Street 8. Yeah, so we're heading towards Street 8 Wharf now. I don't know whether to pull over and fill it with water. It's about to start tipping and get down, so I might catch you, hopefully when it stops. I get soaked. Let's see how frizzy this hair can get, hey? It's already quite frizz, but yeah, I'm really proud of myself. I'm still going really well, and it's absolutely beautiful, like all the blossom trees and just perfect. The dogs. If you've seen the last couple of videos, you'll know the dogs have relentlessly barked at us sometimes. Behind us. We haven't today. I'm actually asleep on the sofa. get a video because I'm the only one in the boat, but just trust me on that. But yeah, listen, now I park inside and I think it's because I like James more. I'm okay with that because I'm relaxing. I love that. And now she's going to relentlessly bark at me, isn't she? Because I said that. Never mind. So I think the next part. Ow! Just hit my elbow. I think the next part is Street Hay Wharf next to the AVA. It's not the most pleasant drives because of the noise. It's still very pretty up the canal. Quickly flipping around. I'm driving my arm with it. There's the AVA. And there, just through that bridge, is Street Hay. So, whoop, and I believe our friend Nisha is more there driving. So, hopefully we'll see her boat. If not, hi Nisha. But yeah, we're going to go through here, carry on going, and hopefully we'll hit the pub. And I won't be too soaked. I'm thinking about ditching the brolly because it's just stressful holding the brolly around driving. Dogs have gone quiet again now, by the way, just come to sleep again. Hope they stay that way. But yeah, let's keep going. Bridge of the day. It is so good. I'm just heading up for, I think it's called Huddersfield Junction, which is by the Glowing, Lichfield sort of way. And I'm really happy that we've made it. Cold, but happy. Hopefully, when Jess gets back from golf, we can go get a pizza for dinner. I don't know if you can hear me, but the water here is a different colour. It is brown. Again. I don't know why, I think I know why, I can't think of the words, but yeah, Willow wants to come out now, so I'm hoping we get around this corner. I'll be out to more, if that's even a thing, because I'm rubbish at it, and then we'll go for it. That's the part I'm terrified for, so we've just turned up near where we wanted more, but there's quite a lot of boats, train. the manoeuvre I just did. Look at the space I had. I mean, I'm still going. I'm still moving. Hang about. Come back though. So proud of myself. I've just squeezed between this boat and see how close that one is. I just did that. Stop myself. Hitting, I don't think you're recording then. Hitting and then James can literally part there and the pub is literally there. I'm so proud of myself. I've absolutely smashed cruising, so let's get more done. Just need to tie in the back and then I'm all moored. Then I think it's a drink at the pub and try and get a YouTube uploaded. I've moored the boat and I really hope you enjoyed watching this. I'm just about to head into the pub and try and upload a vlog and edit this one, so I really hope you enjoyed watching and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.